Hi, I'm Nagam Al-Samari. Some of you may remember me as Mrs. Al-Samari from either my teaching days or my principal days. Either way, I'm here to answer the question that some of you asked. Can you give us more information about this workshop and what does it entail? So this workshop is a 5-week workshop on the book by John Maxwell, Developing the Leader Within You. And we will be looking at one chapter for each week and the skill sets that are within a leader. One of the things that you may be asking or may be questioning is, am I really a leader? And I'll tell you what, you are a leader. Every one of us is a leader. We just have these skill sets inside and we don't know what they are. Hence, we don't recognize them. And we think leadership is a position when it's not. So what we're going to be doing is we are going to explore these leadership skills and bring them out to light and work on them and put them to the test. Let me give you an example. One of the things John Maxwell talks about is priorities. We wake up in the morning, every one of us, and we have a lot of things to do, right? And we put them down in a list. Then we look at this list and it's huge. We try to manage our time best by maybe prioritizing. We all have the same 24 hours, and I don't know how we can manage to do all these things within those 24. I mean, unless you have more than 24 hours, and in that case, be sure to share that secret with everybody. But here's what we do next. We take that highlighter or marker or pen, we mark, we star, we highlight things that we think are priority. And what ends up happening is we end up with a huge list of priorities. And then we get overwhelmed with the things we want to do. So let me tell you what John Maxwell says about this. Practical people know how to get what they want. Philosophers know what they ought to want. And leaders know how to get what they ought to want. You got this one? Leaders know how to get what they ought to want. So one of the things that we will be discussing is prioritizing and what is the best way to actually do this and make it work for you. And if you guys know me, you know that we're not just going to be talking. We're going to be putting everything we learn right into practice and putting it out there to enhance your personal and professional life. So click on the link in the flyer. Look at the different class times and see which one better suits your availability. And once you sign up, I will send you the free copy of the book either in PDF format or YouTube if you prefer listening, or if you want the actual book, you may buy it from Amazon or a local store. Either way, once you sign up, you'll get that free copy and I will see you at the workshop.